end of October 2025. It's in the morning, probably about 39 degrees right now, and I got to bleed the brakes on the XJ. To do that, though, I'm going to probably take off the right rear tire, get to that wheel cylinder. I want to see if that bleeder screw is going to open up or not. That's the only line I cannot get a bleeder open. So I'm going to try to get that, and if it doesn't open, we have problems, then I do have a new one I may have to replace it with. But to do that, it probably means there's a chance I ruin that hard line and have to redo the ends on that. And obviously got to grind and cut the mounting bolts off of that one. So let's get the back end jacked up and get that tire off. Don't go too high. Trying to save you from having to watch me walk back and forth 100 times, trying to get the proper wrench for this. I think it's a 7mm and I don't have it, so I might strip it out. But first, let's see if we can get this cracked. This is a 3/8. So I'm going to heat it up first. There we go with that. See? Keep that behind you. Yeah, it's 39 degrees out this morning. So there's some cold metal. I'll sit here a minute just to get it up to 60 degrees probably. But I'm heating up the line too, because usually these are seized on the line itself, and that's how they break. You gotta get it hot enough to get those molecules moving around so it doesn't snap. I'll also hit the body where the threads go in. I want that heated up good too. We'll stay like this for a minute. Hopefully we got this heated up enough now that this will come out of there. I'll get my gloves on because we gotta make sure we're not going to get ourselves burned. You're going to be not able to see a whole lot of this. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know. Come on, there we go. It's not feeling good. Alright, I'm going to keep working. Try to see what I'm looking at. Alright, look at that, huh? Got the new wheel cylinder on. Even prayed to the double flaring gods. Got that all set up. Took me 2 tries, of course, because the first time, what do? Is you have to forget putting that nut on. So, did it twice just for fun. Alright, got it tight. I'm going to find the wrench I need to get the bleeder open and make sure I can get that cracked, and I think we'll be looking pretty solid here. Push back together. Brakes are bled. Alright, just cleaned up my mess. So that's pretty much it. I got a front left caliper that's hanging up a little bit, so probably going to need to replace that soon. Here we are, end of October. October 27, 2025. Rough country 3-inch lift and frame repair completed. Alright, that's it.